Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Motorola G14 with a cracked display, and David will replace it for us because it's not really showing us anything. Let's go. So you can see here there's a big crack on the display, and if we plug in the charger, nothing really shows up on the display. So it's a complete dead display, and we kind of have a problem with the camera there. So we already removed the back cover. It's plastic, so it's quite easy to remove, and we are removing now screws on the back area. So we'll remove the SIM card tray, because as we remove this plastic piece, so it's kind of in the housing and the cover for the entire back area of the smartphone, we don't want that SIM card tray to interfere or be in the way. And we are also going to remove this faux camera lens cover, so it's hiding a couple of screws underneath it, so we'll cut off the adhesive strips behind that, and there you go. And we'll remove the flex cable for the power button, and we'll continue with our disassembly. So all the connectors are now exposed as we peel off that thin film of plastic. So we have detached the battery and we attached it, and we will be attaching the connector for the replacement display. So right here we have pushed it in, the power button, and we'll peel this off real quick. And this is a brand new replacement display for the G14. And I'm not really sure if Motorola is still in the game as of the filming of this repair video, but it's quite a pretty standard smartphone, and it's so sad that smartphones are really becoming more like the same with each other. So Samsung has the foldable, but it's not really the same as the previous decades with smartphones being too colorful. Right now it's just the same design, rectangular, and with a wide slab of glass in front of it. So this G14, nothing really stands out. It's bog standard design make. It's like an Oppo or a Vivo. So if you've seen one of our Oppo screen replacement, this is kind of the same. So we'll remove the broken display now. So it comes off like how the back cover is removed. So it's held on by adhesive, and we have already peeled off the connector behind it, so it slides through this slot easily. There you go. Next, we will bend back this piece of housing so that it will not have gaps when we install the display. So it will lay flat on this plane, and we'll test fit it, see if it's all good, and seems to be okay now. No bent on the housing, so it's kind of already flat, so this looks good. We have tested it many times, and we will be installing it using this liquid adhesive, and of course this will not guarantee waterproofness or anything. There's no water rating for this adhesive. It's just enough so that we can install the new display into this housing. So we'll put just enough so that it will be strong, but as well as minimize the mess that it will create. So as we press it in, it will obviously create a slight mess on the front display, but we will be dealing with that afterwards. So we have attached the connector for the display and the battery. Now we will reassemble everything. So this film goes flat here. We will reconnect I think this is for the fingerprint scanner. So it's quite easy to break, so we will have to be very careful when reattaching this connector. Right there. Then we'll press it in, put all the screws back in, and reverse the process. So if you have a Motorola that needs a new display, if you have a G14 like this one or any other brand, message David here, Sydney CBD Repair Center, because we have the best repairs for Motorola in Australia. And if you're not from Sydney and you're keen on getting one of our services, you can also mail in your broken smartphone and we'll fix it here. And once we're done with the repair, we will send it back to you anywhere in the world. So just message us beforehand so we can anticipate your mail-in repair request, and of course to know the cost of shipping and what type of mode of transport that we will have, or the courier that we will select. So this one is all good. Touchscreen is working. It's just booting up and loading up some apps. But so far so good, and we're done, I think. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.